Okay, hello, assalamualaikum everyone. I am Iqbal Azhar, so welcome to my YouTube channel. So you can click the subscribe button for more of my video next. Okay, today I want to talk about my dream application. Although this is just a dream apps, I hope someday I'll complete it. Okay, let's go. Have you ever sent your car to any workshop like changing engine oil, changing tires or car services? Do you feel satisfied or cheated, especially women? Okay, with my future application, here are your solution. So in this app, we will give you the updated price referral on spare part of your car. So we also provide user dictionary of items based on your car types. Okay, it's easy, right? There are complete reference for almost all types of car in Malaysia. So other than that, we also have car towing and home repair. All of items and services can be paid through online or cash. In this pandemic, it will help you to pay through online, right? Easy. Okay, in these apps, we will benefit the registered workshop to be more progressive and advanced in their services, and they will have easy access without meeting the customer. This application also help the user or customer avoiding scamming activities by some workshop in price cheating, and many of us have become victims. To the stakeholder or whoever want to buy this application, they will have good benefit because this app will give big impact to our country itself. Okay, what I see in this kind of application in Malaysia, there are so few of them and they are not really friendly, and all of them provide different services. So in my apps, I want to combine all of the services and adding some feature that give a user best experience. Okay, that's all from me, and don't forget to like my video. Thank you. Bye bye.